I was just thinking, what do I do or what do I use to bring plastics back to life? Let me introduce you to Reboot, folks. Product developed by Dub Boyz to revitalize bumpers, external and internal plastics. It's entirely up to you. As it is a formulation based on silicon dioxide, it creates a barrier against dirt and moisture that lasts for months. But folks, don't forget, prepare the plastic very well to receive this type of product. Eventually, people apply product over product, and it's not very good. Prepare the surface, small drops of product on the dub jack, our microfiber applicator, then it's easy and very quick, folks. I applied it on my microfiber applicator and go straight to the bumper. You don't need much product, folks, just spread it here. Interesting, folks, it doesn't attract dust and doesn't leave a sticky surface. Reboot, folks, the revitalizer from Dub Boyz with a base of silicon dioxide. What are you waiting for to run to the store and get yours? Are you enjoying these videos? Keep following Dub on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video, folks.